What's up, guys? Like funny glasses? Yeah, me too. Me too. Not really much to do right now. I'm bored watching TV because it's a really place. Personally, I can't really monetize this video because I didn't have permission to say that. Whatever. My next video, I'm probably going to be telling you guys my Xbox Live name because I got Red Dead Redemption for my birthday on Friday. So, yes. So, yeah. Pretty much it. Hope you're excited. I have a lot of other games. I'll try to list my games in the next video. So, yeah. Probably gonna make a couple of videos before that one. Maybe today. Whatever. Bye, guys.